students, I welcome you all to this video class of class 8th. My name is Ashok Kumar Kumawat at BPS Shikshan Sansthan, and today I am going to teach you how can we multiply or divide the rational numbers. Okay, so it is very simple. I have written some examples and we will see that how can we do multiplication and division of rational numbers. So first example 12. Okay, before example 12, let me show you how can we decide on the sign of a rational number. Okay, so if we multiply minus value to minus value, it gives us plus. If we multiply plus value to plus value, it gives us plus. And if we multiply minus value and plus value, the sequence can be changed. Plus into minus or minus into plus, both are same. It gives us minus. So these three important things you have to keep in mind before we do multiply and division. Now, moving on to example 12. We need to multiply 5 into 1 by 4. So, it is a rational number. How? We can put 1 into denominator. So, what we need to do? Multiply numerator with numerator. 5 into 1 5, and multiply denominator with denominator. 1 into 4 4. Simple है. Next B. Alright, I do the D part and you do the remaining B and C. So minus 2 upon 9, we have to multiply it by minus 3 upon 17. Now you have to see that this numerator and this denominator can be simplified, right? Or both of these are divided by 3. So if we divide minus 3 by 3, we get minus 1. And if we divide 9 by 3, then we get 3. So minus 3 and 9 both are divisible by 3. So we can simplify it. Now what we have, minus 2 upon 3 multiply minus 1 upon 17. Now this minus and this minus becomes plus. Minus into minus क्या होता है? Plus. So जो वैल्यू मिलेगी that will be positive. So minus and minus plus, and we do not need to write plus all the time. 2 into 1 2, 17 into 3 51. Simple. तो बाकी ये दो है, these two are for your practice. Next हम देखते हैं example 13. Example 13 is there are four rational numbers which you have to multiply. There are two questions and I solve question A and you solve question number B. Okay, these are examples in your textbook, right? So question A, example 3, 13. What is it? Minus 2 by 3 into minus 1 by 2 into minus 5 by 6 into minus 3 by 8. Now what we have to do first, we need to be sure about the sign, whether it will be positive or it will be negative. So there are 1 2 3 4 negative sign. This minus and minus becomes plus. This minus and minus become plus, and plus into plus plus. So we will get answer as a positive number. Now all we have to do, we have to see whether we can simplify any of the number. So we can see that minus 2 becomes minus 1 and 1. We can divide 2 and 2 by 2, right? ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. माइनस 3 को हम 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो माइनस 1 आएगा, और 6 को हम 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो कितना आएगा, 2 आएगा, राइट? नाउ दिस कैन, now this question cannot be simplified further. So what we do now, we multiply numerators. So 1 1 5 1, 1 into 1 into 5 into 1, and in denominator we have 3 into 1, 3 into 1 into 2 into 8. So our answer becomes 5. 16 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, it will become 48. So this is our answer, right? सिंपल है, हमें न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, एंड देन वी मल्टीप्लाई डिनोमिनेटर बाय डिनोमिनेटर, एंड वी नीड टू check for the sign. The sign is very important when you do multiplication, division, subtraction, addition or whatever, right? Now at 14th question we will come later. Before that we will see some questions of division. We have to divide 11 by 15. 11 by 15 is divided by 3 by 5. So in division there is a one more process. Division is similar to multiplication, but just only one difference. What is that? 11 by 15, we need to change this sign into multiply. So we change it to multiply, and when we change it to multiply, we convert these the next number. Convert, how can you convert? Or we can say it is inverted, right? Inverted का मतलब है इसको हम उलट देंगे. जो न्यूमरेटर है that becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. It becomes 5 by 3. So whenever you change the division sign into multiply, you have to convert, you have to invert the next number, right? So this number is inverted into 5 by 3. Now you check whether any of the number can be simplified. So we can see 5 and 15 can be divided. So 5 divided by 5 becomes 1. 15 divided by 5 we get 3. Now all we have to do is multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. As simple as that. 11 into 1, 1. 3 into 3, 9. That becomes our answer. Alright. We do the next question, D. We have to multiply, sorry, we have to divide 18 by 25 by minus 9 by 35. Alright, so first we need to change this sign. So to change this sign we have to write, we have to invert this number 35 upon minus 9. So this minus sign you can put it here or here, it doesn't matter. Right, so we will do that in next step. Check this number for the simplification. We can see 25 and 35 are divided by 5. So 25 divided by 5 gives us 5. 35 divided by 5 gives us 7. 9 divided by 9 gives us minus 1, and 9 divided by 18 gives us 2. So remaining part we write here 2 by 5, 2 by 5, multiply 7 minus 1. All we have to do is multiply numerator to numerator, that becomes 14, and denominator with denominator, that becomes minus 5, and this minus 5 can be, this minus sign can be written here. So our answer becomes minus 14 by 5. This is how we do division, right? Now we will see some properties of division and multiplication. नाउ प्रॉपर्टीज आर इंपॉर्टेंट. एग्जाम्स में प्रॉपर्टीज को लेकर क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं, सो यू नीड टू कीप इट इन माइंड. ऑलराइट, फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी. Closure property is we need to memorize the statement, we need to keep it in mind the statement. The statement is if we multiply a rational number to a rational number, we get a new rational number. What did I say? If we multiply a rational number to another rational number, we get a new rational number, right? A multiply C AC, B multiply C D BD. So when we multiply a rational number to a different rational number, we get a new rational number. It is as simple as that. जैसा कि फर्स्ट एग्जांपल था, 5 एक रैशनल नंबर है and then 1/4 is a rational number. If we multiply, we get 5/4. So 5/4 is a new rational number which we get by multiplying these two. This property is same for division also, right? So both multiplication and division follow closure property. This thing you need to keep it in mind. So this is the first property. Second property is now here. Second property is commutative property. What is commutative property? If two rational numbers are multiplied regardless by their sequence or by their order of multiplying. What did I say? If we multiply A into B or we multiply B into A, चाहे आप A into B करो चाहे B into A करो, you will get the same answer. So that is called commutative property. Commutative property is, suppose we have 2 into 3, it becomes 6. If we do 3 into 2, it again becomes 6. So there is no change, and this property is called commutative property. Now for a rational number, pick any of the example. So we solve the D example again. Minus 2/9 into minus 3/17. This is A into B. मतलब पहले हम 2/9 लिख रहे हैं, बाद में minus 3/17 लिख रहे हैं. So it becomes -3. So the answer becomes minus plus 2/51. If we do this question by changing the sequence of writing the number, then we get minus 3/17 and minus 2/9. Then it again becomes 3, minus becomes plus, so 2/51. So commutative property is applicable on multiplication. Now what happens when we divide? There is this example, 11/15 divided by 3/5. So we get 11/15 multiply 5/3. It becomes 11/9, right? Now what happens if we do this changing the sequence? Now in this situation 3/5 is divided by 11/15. So we get the answer as 3/5 multiply. We need to invert this number now. It becomes 5/11. We can simplify it like this. So the answer becomes 9/11. Now you check the answer. This is 9 by 11 and this is 11 by 9. Are these the both? Are these the same number? Answer is no. These are not same number. These two rational numbers are not equal. So what we can say here? We can say that 4 multiplication we can say A multiply B is equals to B multiply A. But for division we can say A divided by B is not equals to B divided by A. So commutative property is true for multiplication but not for division. Or we can say commutative property is applicable on multiplication but not applicable on division. Right. So this is our second property, commutative property. Next we do associative property. What is associative property? We can define it A multiply B multiply C equals to A multiply B multiply C, but there is a difference how we do it. If we multiply B into C and that the result of B into C is multiplied by A, then it becomes equal. If we multiply A into B, then the result is multiplied by C. कैसे करते हैं ये देखो. जैसे मान लो सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल को मैं थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई करूँ. 2/5 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 4/11 and one more number I can write 1/2. First we multiply these two and there is a difference of bracket here. Now bracket here is on B of B into C and here the bracket is on A into B. Alright, so if we write these number into this sequence, then it becomes 2/5 into 4/11 bracket into 1/2. What we need to do here? First we need to solve the bracket. So it can be simplified 2. So it becomes 1. We get 2/5 into 2/11. Here there is no simplification, so it becomes 8 upon 55 and 2. Now it becomes 4 and becomes 15. It can be simplified 1 4 on dividing by 2, so we get 4/15. So we can see B into C then multiplied by A into B then multiplied by C. There is a sequence how we do it, but the answer is same, right? But is it true for division? A divided by B divided by C. The bracket is on B on C. Here the bracket is A divided by B. Then the value is divided by C. So it is not equal, and take the same numbers and perform it at as your homework and then tell me the answers. So all I can say is associative property is applicable on multiplication but not applicable for division. इसको हम सिंपल लैंग्वेज में ये समझते हैं कि मल्टीप्लाई को हम किसी भी सीक्वेंस में करेंगे. जैसे मान लो 2 into 3 into 4 हो, आप इसको करो 2 into 3 होता है 6, 6 into 4 होता है 24. ठीक है. देन चेंज द सीक्वेंस. 4 into 3 होता है 8, सॉरी 12, 12 into 2 होता है 24. सिंपल. 2 into 3 होता है 6, 6 into 4 होता है 24. किसी भी सीक्वेंस में आप इसको करो, आंसर हमेशा 24 ही रहेगा. बट दिस इज नॉट ट्रू फॉर द डिवीजन. डिवीजन में आंसर आपके चेंज हो जाते हैं. सो वी कैन से associative property is applicable for division, sorry, applicable for multiplication but not for division. Now the division property of divisions are, we have studied associative property, closure property, and then commutative property. Now next properties are only for multiplication. So our fourth property is multiplicating आइडेंटिटी. ये क्या होती है? एक रैशनल नंबर को हम किस वैल्यू से मल्टीप्लाई करें कि आंसर चेंज ना हो. क्या कहा मैंने? व्हाट नंबर कैन बी मल्टीप्लाइड टू अ रैशनल नंबर so that we get the same answer. So if a upon b is multiplied by 1, we get a upon b. Or if 7 by 11 multiplied by 1, we can write 1 by 1. So 7 into 1 becomes 7, 11 into 1 becomes 11. So 1 is the multiplicative identity. 1 को हम क्या कहते हैं? मल्टीप्लिकेशन की मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी कहते हैं, राइट? सो multiply 1 to any rational number or any number, it gives us the same result. The answer does not change whenever we multiply 1 to any number. ठीक है? Then fifth property and last property, sorry, second last property, multiplicating इनवर्स. हम एक रैशनल नंबर को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि हमें आंसर मिल जाए 1. what rational number can be multiplied to a rational number so that we get the answer 1. So suppose करो कि हमारे पास एक रैशनल नंबर है 11 by 5. if we multiply it 5 by 11, then we get what we get? 5 divided by 5 1 1, 11 divided by 1 1. So 1 upon 1, what is our answer? 1. So if we multiply 11 by 5 into 5 by 11, then we get the answer 1. So 5 by 11 is multiplicative inverse, right? These are the properties of rational numbers. These are the properties of multiplication division of rational numbers, right? So इस वीडियो में हम इस एग्जाम्पल 14 को सॉल्व अभी नहीं करते हैं. एक प्रॉपर्टी आपकी और बचती है, दैट इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. सो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी को हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम सॉल्व करेंगे. आपके लिए तब तक के लिए होमवर्क है, यू नीड टू सॉल्व और यू हैव टू सॉल्व वर्कशीट 1.3, राइट? वर्कशीट 1.3 में सारे जो है एग्जाम्पल बेसिक है. अगले वीडियो में हम कोशिश करेंगे दैट वी सॉल्व द वर्कशीट 1.3. आई विल सॉल्व सम important questions from 1.3 and practice these questions at your home. This will be your homework. Stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.